Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining Distech Controls today for another extension of our Health and Trustworthy initiatives. My name is Ham Donishman. I am the Director of OEM Sales for Distech Controls. And joining me today is Mr. Richard Caton from Marketing Segment Development of Director of Halton Food Services. Did I say your name correctly, Richard?
You got the last name correct, Ham, but only people that call me Richard are my parents when they're upset with me, so we'll stick with Rich.
Sorry about that. Thanks for joining. So today we're here to talk about some really exciting news. For past 18 months or so, Distech Controls and Halton have been into a technology alliance, OEM Technology Alliance program. And we've been working with our product line around Eclipse and also a very new exciting product from Halton, which is called Safeguard Solutions. And I think it would be very good to have you talk a little bit about that, Richard, talk a little bit about your background and what this product means, especially for the challenging times that we're in today.
Yeah, certainly, Ham. Thanks for the invitation. Halton appreciates the collaboration with the Distech and ability to ramp up the new controls platform that we've been working on. And just a little bit about my background. I've been with Halton close to 30 years now. I started when I was 12, and I've worked my way through various positions, and currently, as you mentioned, marketing director. With respect to the product offering, the UVGI that you referred to, this was a pretty quick transition for Halton because we had been working in the ultraviolet light technology for some time, going back over 15 years now, with our kitchen exhaust hoods, where in that design they're used to basically break down grease to mitigate fire hazard and also keep the ducts clean. So with this competence in UV technology, it was pretty easy for us to move towards looking at viral mitigation products. The interesting thing about the UV bulbs used in UVGI, ultraviolet genocidal irradiation, is that they operate in a different bandwidth, 254 nanometers. And the importance of that is that it doesn't produce ozone, the type of bulbs we use. So that's a respiratory, you don't want to have that. And the other thing is that it's very effective in killing the virus effectively. So you hear these claims of 99.9% efficient, and that's technically correct, but it's not how it should be interpreted as far as the effectiveness of any one system. And if you'd like, I could kind of address that, pretty quickly with how we approach it.
Sure. Very interesting concept. And obviously, this is a right timing for this solution, as you could imagine, what's happening in the around the globe. As far as the positive things, obviously, I see around this, you're responding not only to an indoor environment type of an issue that's been going on within our industry for a very long time. And I have to provide a little bit of input here. I mean, this is not just like another, I would say, a commercial product that you could buy from Amazon or anything. This is truly made from a HVAC background industry, and you're filterizing the air movement, going through the product, and then going through the UV light that you're explaining into the space. And I can imagine this as an application in a school system, and the comfort level that comes to the teachers and the students and parents, and then having this within that space with our Eclipse product line that's controlling that. To me, it's remarkable. Can you talk a little bit about the application and where you guys are focusing on?
Yeah, absolutely. And you made a good point about there's a proliferation of these kind of UV products out there, and you have to really be careful. You have to kind of look at what is the ability of the device to deliver clean air, the equivalent of clean air, and reduce the probability of infection. So Halton developed these products with that in mind. So we can calculate, based on the occupancy level in a lecture hall or classroom, what the clean air delivery rate is. Because as the CDC has pointed out, the more fresh air or outside air that you can bring in, the lower probability of infection. So this is all geared around that. in a lot of instances, you don't have a capacity of the system to increase the outdoor air requirement. But the Sentinel system basically takes the place of that by sterilizing the air and joining with the given amount of outside air and then increasing it. So if you have 32 students in a classroom that would normally require 480 CFM outside air, you add a 1200 CFM Sentinel unit in space, you've effectively tripled the amount of clean air delivery. And in that scenario, you would reduce the probability of infection by 3.3 times and help mitigate any virus risk. And they're easily moved around, as you mentioned, and plugged into a standard outlet.
Wow, that's just amazing. So we have a little short video that we want to run as a promotional video here, and we're going to start that right now.
Hello, my name is Andy Faller from Halton. I'd like to introduce you to the Halton Sentinel, a mobile antiviral ultraviolet germicidal irradiation, or UVGI, filtration device. The Halton Sentinel is a high-capacity UVGI filtration device that can be placed just about anywhere there is a potential for virus spread to minimize the probability of infection. Contained in the device are high-efficiency media filters rated at MERV 13. Behind those are safe ultraviolet band bulbs that operate at the 254 nanometer wavelength. That wavelength is critical for their germicidal properties, and because these particular bulbs do not produce the respiratory irritant ozone. Most people focus on the efficiency of the bulbs, which are 99+% efficient in neutralizing viruses. Does that mean that if you deploy one of these units, it will destroy 99% of pathogens present? No, it's not that simple. What is very important to understand is that Halton can calculate the clean air delivery rate of the unit and the probable reduction of infection.
Wow, that was amazing. That was an amazing video. So I can tell you right now, I am honored to be part of this with Halton and obviously Distech and our Eclipse controller platform. We're here to fight the COVID, and I think this product is here at the right time. And it is very interesting that we're in this space now, really looking at it from a HVAC perspective and bringing it into our customers and our end users. Do you have any closing thoughts you want to share with us?
No, I appreciate the comments, Ham. It's great to collaborate with Distech. They've been a great partner with Halton, and look forward to further development in this area. These are the first few products to come out, but come down the line, I think this is going to be with us for a period of time, so it's important that we continue to innovate.
Thank you again, Rich, and thank you to Halton, and thank you to all my teams at Distech Controls. This is another edition of the Health and Trustworthy segment, and please look for future releases that are coming very soon. And with that, please have a safe and be healthy out there. Thank you.
Take care.
Take care.